Well, you might have known I am on to Bigwoods Beach. I saw some new zombies. And that's in level 8. I'll just show the new zombie. Yep. Deep sea gargantuars. Some bowling. And I think it's in... Yeah, it starts in level 11. Let me show you what the new zombie is. Surfer zombie. See him right there? Okay, let's play level 14. Okay. Okay, let's see. Survive the zombie attack with the given plant? No! Deep sea gargantuar. What the heck? And this is all you give me. A little sunflower. I want my primal sunflower back. I feel like the tie can't get past through here. Good. Tangle Gang Chomper. Bumper. He's waiting for you. He's waiting for you. He's waiting for to eat mermaids. He wants to eat. He wants to eat mermaids like you. And bum. Go wait, they're in the tie space. Ooh. Yeah. Get pulled down to the surface, buddy. This kind of villain. He is probably the most starving piece of butt crack on earth. Yep, don't go in weird spaces that you don't know, because you could fall into the abyss. Well, Mama having fun with Burper. Finish it. Who doesn't want to finish his food? 'Cause he's so lazy and doesn't know how to play a game. What the heck? I forgot about this guy. Well, at least we're fighting a big bear booty guy. Okay. Well, I don't know why the tangle pulp didn't work, but we just failed. Not really. Well, we got some money off of it. Crocodile. Okay. What's day 15 like? I'm excited to see what it's like. You serious? We have the potato mines? Let me see. I want to see potato mines. This is, so if they blow up, we're doomed. Oh, what the sigma? We can't let them blow up. Yeah, we have to put little pads in front of pin shooter. Dimitri, do you have the crocodile? No, not yet. But you are gonna get the crocodile soon. And guys, if you don't have Plan for Zombies 2, download it. And you will see all the zombies. So hurry up. You can download it any day. It's called Plan for Zombies 2. Don't listen to him. You don't have to. But you can if you want. And you can if you want, but we need you to download it. It's for free. Completely for free. How do you know that? How do you even know that? If it's for free? Did you make the game? No, I just downloaded it, guys. How does that mean it's for free? Right? Because they're sleeping. Burper. Oh, what the heck? Kill them. You're not good. What the heck? Cherry blossom ice cream. Cherry blossom ice cream. Hey, zombies. Got any surprises? Oh, you done. Motherfucking duplicate. And just kill these guys. We have a middle and we hear it going down. Into our dicks of zombies. They're gonna eat it all of our brains. I won't like it. Kick, guys. What? You're killing me! Well, that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please click and subscribe. Say bye, guys. Farties.